Biotrauma 911 is much more than a biohazard remediation company. Our talented and professional team of extreme cleaning experts are military veterans, law enforcement officers, and medical professionals. We are mothers, fathers, brothers, and sisters, and we care about you and your situation. Since 2005, our company has continued to refine and develop a safe and environmentally friendly remediation process that is governed by our relentless pursuit of unparalleled client satisfaction. Our caring and compassionate service has been praised by individuals and businesses alike. Today, Biotrauma 911 has a long-standing and proven track record that sets us apart from our competition and solidifies our position as a true leader in the biohazard remediation industry. Whether you're faced with a tragic event that requires the remediation of blood and fluids, or you suffer from compulsive hoarding and you need help cleaning your home of personal effects, trash, and clutter, please consider Biotrauma 911 for your extreme cleaning needs.